Click on Application Control tab, click on Back Office tab, click on Stock tab. Click on number 10, Sales Stock 004. Margin, Sales, and Stock Report. Select Date Range from 2. Always choose Analyze and All Items. Then click on Org tab, Analytics Report will open. Click on Print Preview tab, a file is generated at taskbar. Click and open the file. Click on File tab, click on Export Document arrow. Select file destination where you want to save the file. Choose XLS file option and click on Org tab. Rename the file and save. Click on Yes to open the file. File will show product-wise, LRP, RSP and stock in hand quantity. Prepare notepad for item not available in store to scan for ordering. You can search items from F2 search by name and stock tab. Save notepad on desktop with the present date. Double-click POS icon on your desktop. Click on Application Control tab. Click on Back Office tab. Click Transactions tab. Click the POS Ordering tab. Click the Add tab. Click Customer tab and type star and select star local mart store name.
Click OK tab.
Click the Scan Item tab. Scan product barcode one after another to order and later add required quantity. Always order as per case lot or full box quantity. Click Select Item to add Notepad products. Click Import Barcode tab. Click Select Barcode Text Item box tab. Import Notepad from the saved source. Right-click on mouse or touch hold for 2 seconds column 1 and click Set as Barcode. Right-click on mouse or touch hold for 2 seconds column 2 and click Set as Quantity. Click on the Import tab. Close Import box. Click on the Populate tab. The correct barcode will get uploaded, then close this page. Edit Ordering Quantity. Select a row to remove an item and click the Remove Item tab. Click the Save tab. Click the Org tab. Click the Note tab at Print POS Order. Click the Save tab. Click the Note tab. Do you want to take a deposit from the customer? Click on the Search Customer tab. Uncheck Search in Web box. Type mobile number in Mobile No box. Click on the Search tab. Click Yes to add a new customer. Type 0 in first name, middle name, and last name. Click on Save and Tag button. Click on the Yes button. Click on the OK button for record save her successfully. Click on Back Office tab. Click on Transactions tab. Click on Packet tab. Click on Add tab. Click on Select Scheme tab. Click on Out Stock Point box. Select as SHOWROOM1 and then click Org tab. Click on Replenishment Source box. In remarks, put date of return. Click on Packet Items tab. Click on Scan Items tab, scan damaged items and add quantity, then close the page. Second method is to add Notepad and import. Click on Select Item tab. Click on Import Barcode tab. Click on Select Barcode Text File box. Select Save Notepad file. Right-click column 1 and change name as barcode and for column 2 is quantity. Click on Import tab and close this box. Click on Populate and close the box. Check damage and expired item quantity. Click on Org tab. Click on Org tab. Do you want to post inventory now? Click on Yes tab. Inventory posted successfully. Click on Org tab. Click Cancel, your packet is ready. Click Print to take print out, then close the page. Goods return process. Click on Transactions tab. Click on Goods Return tab. Click on Add tab. Click on Select Scheme tab. Click on Replenishment Source box. Select as Godavat Retail LLP Warehouse Rice Mill Majile and click on Org tab. Click on Reason tab. Click on Return Items tab. Click on Select Packet tab and put tick mark. Then click on OK tab. Then click on OK tab. Note this GR number 2 put on gate pass. Then click on OK tab. Do you want to post inventory? Click on Yes tab. Inventory posted successfully. Then click on OK tab. Click on Cancel tab and close the page. Click on Application Control tab. Click on Back Office tab. Click on Sale tab. Click on number 6, Bill Collection, 001, Date-wise, Bill-wise, Sale Details, Stores tab. Select Date range from 2, always choose Analyze. Then click on OK tab, Analytics report will open. Click on Print Preview tab, a file is generated at taskbar. Click and open the file. Click on File tab. Click on Export Document arrow. Select file destination where you want to save the file. Choose XLS file option and click on OK tab. Rename the file and save. Click on Yes to open the file. File will show cash entry, card entry, goods return entry.
Click on Application Control tab. Click on Back Office. Click on Transactions. Click on Goods Receive Advice. Click on Advice number and check New Received Advice. Also check the status showing Not Received. Click on Transactions. Click on Goods Received. Click on Add tab. Click on Select Scheme tab. Click on Goods Receive Advice number 3 dots tab. Select Goods Receive number and then click on OK tab. Click on Packet tab. Click on Reconcile Packet. Check mark this box. Click on Mark All. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. GRC number gets generated. Click on Yes to post stock in inventory. Click on Goods Receive Advice. Then click Refresh. Status will change to Closed. Then to Total Receive.